When you receive a THINBIT tool holder, it will come in a case or sleeve. The tool holder itself will be protected with bubble wrap with a rust paper sleeve to protect the contents. The clamp is typically installed. The wrench will put into the screw and loosen up a little bit. If we were going to use the roll pin would be inserted in this hole. In the case of a groove and turn insert, you don't need the roll pin because on the bottom of the insert is a stop. The top of a groove and turn insert has two small angles. The bottom of a groove and turn insert has two large angles. The bottom of the insert goes against the fixed seat of the tool holder and it slides in until the stop of the insert catches on the lip of the seat. With your index finger and thumb, index finger holding the insert and thumb holding the clamp, use the wrench, tighten the screw down, ensure the insert slid all the way back, and give it a final torque. And there's an assembled tool holder.